When an Indian couple prepares its daughter so that she is accepted in her husband's family after her marriage, it is a case of option A socialization, option B re-socialization, option C anticipatory socialization, and option D adult socialization. Here the right option is option C anticipatory socialization. According to Durkheim, religion consists in the distinction between option A sacred and the secular, option B the pure and the impure, option C the sacred and the profane, option D the gods and the ghosts. Here the right answer is option C the sacred and the profane. Resocialization is clearly evident when option A girl's marriage just takes place, option B child is born, option C person works as a member of a revolutionary party, option D child starts going to school. Here the right answer is option C person works as a member of a revolutionary party. Match the items in list first with the items in list second and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Looking glass self, that is related with C.H. Cooley. Alienation is related with Karl Marx. Cultural lag is related with William Ogburn. Positivism is related with Auguste Comte. Sociology in India was introduced at the institutional level after it was well established in Europe and USA. Which one among the following is the year of introduction of sociology at the formal or institutional level? Option A 1894, option B 1895, option C 1935, option D 1990. Here the right answer is option D 1990. So in the year of 1990, sociology in India was introduced at the institutional level. Match the items in list first with items in list second and select the right answer from the codes indicated below. Here some concepts are given and the names of sociologists are given. Organic solidarity is related with Emile Durkheim. Religious ethic is related with Max Weber. Mode of production is related with Karl Marx. Then social evolution is related to Herbert Spencer. Match the items in the list first with the items in list second and select the correct answer from the codes given below. First is acculturation, acculturation is a condition in which people of a culture tend to acquire some elements of other culture and leave some elements of their own. Then assimilation, that means a process wherein a minority group gradually gives up its own cultural patterns and acquire those of the dominant. Then accommodation means a condition in which people may work together even though there are differences which separate them. The last one is the integration. Integration means a process of adaptation in which elements of a culture form a composite whole. Which one of the following is an example of ascribed status? Option A teacher, option B student, option C Brahmin, option D doctor. Here the correct answer is option C Brahmin. Tertiary sector is also known as option A processing sector, option B forestry sector, option C mining sector, option D services sector. Here the correct answer is option D services sector. Match the items in list first with the items in list second and select the correct answer from the code given below. Homo hierarchicus. It is related with Louis Dumont. The Savage Mind is related with Claude Lévi-Strauss. Caste, Class and Power. Andre Bataille. Caste in Modern India and Other Essays. It is by M.N. Srinivas. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, please click the bell icon for getting the latest notifications.